Hi friends, welcome back to BAFNA Cars. Today we are presenting one of the most trending vehicle, that is Hyundai Creta. Friends, we have got a Hyundai Creta. We have done a lot of modification on this vehicle. To be very precise, we have converted the baseline model to the top end model with all the accessories fitted on this vehicle to match the OEM standards.
आपली रोजची ती टिपिकल गाय ठिकाणी आल्याशिवाय ते आम्हाला एक कळणार.
So friends, I'm seriously delighted to get Abhijit Dada to us. He's been a brand ambassador to me last more than 25 years. I think it's more than that. We are loving brothers to each other, and today his car is there for me to give the best what I could do. I would really appreciate Dada if you can give me some reviews on the job what you have done. So Dada, please, how do you find it?
As usual, Danesh bhai, no complaints. What you have done is a fabulous job. My car was, though it was a base model, he has upgraded it to the topmost model with all the accessories. Then the lights that he has installed are fabulous. Similarly, the system that he has installed is nothing less than it doesn't look like it's an aftermarket fitment. Rest as usual, a great job, fantastic job. Thanks a lot.
Friends, again, I'm serious to tell you, Dada is unstoppable. He'll always keep to speak to a lot of people. Thank you, Dada, for giving us a wonderful comment. Thank you so much. So friends, for any of your conversion from base model to top model, please contact BAFNA Cars. We will come back with the best solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next.